Hello and welcome to our video on getting to know the enhanced services of the extensions menu. Here we can enable and disable enhanced features on extensions. To enable a function, we simply select the tick, and to disable, we select the cross. We can also enable permissions to be changed via the online self-care. All you have to do is click on the relevant star on the left. Some functions also come with additional options. Caller ID, this is the number shown when you make an outgoing call. You can also use the edit button to change your caller ID. Call pickup, this is where the service enables users to pick up ringing calls of the same call group by dialing *8. Last caller, this service allows you to hear the extension number of the last caller and also to dial that number. Operation times gives users the ability to set call redirections under extension based on operation time rules. Here you can set up a destination to which a call should be redirected and also time and days when you want to redirect it. Call filters and blocking. This service filters and blocks all incoming calls based on a set of rules. For example, calls will be filtered based on whether they're anonymous or belong to a specific caller or telemarketer. Do not disturb. This service temporarily redirects all incoming calls to a destination number or a voicemail. Call screening, as the name suggests, if this option is turned on in enhanced services, it will offer call screening on that extension. Call forwarding, this service forwards calls to other extensions depending on the extension response status. For example, calls can only be forwarded to other extensions, local or remote, or voice boxes unconditionally. Or only if the extension is busy, nobody answers the call, or the line is unavailable. Follow me, this service rings all the provided destinations in a sequence, and if the last call is not answered by any of the provided extensions, it is then transferred to last destination extension, which can be voicemail if the voicemail option is selected. Group hunt, this service rings all provided destinations at the same time. If the call is not answered by any of the provided extensions, it will then be transferred to last destination extension, which can also be the voicemail option if voicemail is selected. Mobile numbers. With mobile numbers, you can assign a mobile number you would like to receive calls on when you're not in the office. If you enable mobile numbers service and add a number to the mobile numbers list, it will be displayed on the Curo app as one of the destinations you can be reached on. Speakerphone page. This service enables the message to transmit to multiple phones by dialing *399 or a single phone by dialing *400. Speakerphone page group service enables a specific extension to page multiple extensions by dialing *600 or dial *600 plus paging group extension number to page all extensions assigned to this group. The directory/BLF list is used to enter the list of extensions the user would like to have as contact. When used with the busy line field enabled phone, the user can then select some of those extensions to be monitored by BLF buttons on the phone. Speed dial. Speed dial service allows you to assign a short code up to 3 digits to numbers you most frequently dial. You do not have to type the full number every time. To use the speed dial, you must dial *130 in front of your assigned short code. Instant recordings. This service enables instant call recording, which can be started anytime during the conversation by dialing *159. From the moment you dial this code, the call will be recorded. Delete recordings. This service enables the user to delete recorded calls via the self-care. For example, when this option is enabled, the user logs into self-care, navigates to the CDR, selects the recorded message and clicks Advanced, Delete Recordings. Listening to recordings. The service allows the user to listen to the recorded calls by downloading them from the online self-care portal or by dialing the access code *170 on your phone and then pressing numbers 1 to 9 for the last 9 recordings. Remote access. This service enables users to access the system from remote locations and authenticate their personal extensions so they can make calls as if they were at their office. Operation times are used to define working hours, holidays, certain redirections based on date and time. Operation times can be set up under different levels: tenant, DIDs, queues, IVRs and extensions. And that's everything on this page.